哎呦，我操，孙子，
这谁是啊？我靠，人这个车啊，
全炸过。
Typhoon Muifa hit Shanghai on Wednesday, threatening to bring strong winds, heavy rain, and flooding to the heavily populated region along China's eastern coast. The storm, hacking wind gusts of up to 193 kilometers per hour, made landfall near the major port city of Ningbo on Wednesday afternoon, and then continued north to Shanghai. China's National Observatory had issued a red alert, and the China Meteorological Administration upgraded the typhoon emergency response to level 2, the second highest. China's busiest container seaport was also expecting waves of up to 5 meters. Shanghai and other nearby cities canceled flights. Local media reported that Muifa was the strongest typhoon in the Yangtze River Delta in a decade, which experts said was caused by unusually hot weather and high temperatures in the East China Sea.
浪高10几米现在啊，下列岛，台风直接登陆了。